Hey everyone, so welcome back to a new video. So today I'll be doing a pen review of the Pentel Energel Clena in the blue ink and also in the black ink. So when I first bought it, I thought this pen was in black, but I did not read the caption or description. It did say blue ink. I just bought it like really quick because it's on discount. I'm like, if it's on discount, I might as well just buy it. And then I did also, thankfully, I did buy the refills. So I'm gonna show you both of them. So it does use the same barrels, but I just switched the insides. So I switched the blue with the black ink. So I took off the label for the black ink, so I know this is the blue, and then the one without the sticker is the black ink, so it's more easier for me to know which one is which. So I got this on Amazon. Both of the items I got on Amazon Canada. And then this comes with 10 pens in blue ink and 0.5 mm nail tip. As you can see, this is the nail tip. And then this is the black ink one, also a needle tip. And then this also came with maybe 10 or 12. Let's see. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 10 or 12. 10 probably. So I came with these two. So I've been using this pen for a few weeks already. I use it to write in my personal planner in cloth and paper, and also use it in my B6 planner, but I do move back and forth with the Uniball Signo DX pen, which I love this pen, really love this. So I'll be just doing a little swatch test on a piece of paper. So I'm going to use the blue ink one. As you can see, it's really smooth. And being a left-handed person, like, it doesn't smudge like that. So as you can see, after I wrote on it, like it works really well. And it's really smooth, like as I do this curly stuff. It does not have any like stops or anything like that. A really good pen. And then this is the black ink one. The black ink does smudge. It's not, I don't think this is similar as the blue ink one, but I'm not really sure. But it looks the same, but I do enjoy writing with the black ink more. The blue ink is also the same, but I feel like the blue ink is more smoother than the black ink. And then I'll put in this, I'll use a Tombow and then also go over it. Like, yeah. Like it's still a really good pen. But I feel like the blue one, the ink comes out more easily and flowy, whereas the black ink one doesn't come as much. It's more like I have to write a little bit harder. Because the blue ink does come out really smoothly. I could feel it. I don't have to press so hard to get off the ink. Maybe I gotta find new black ink for this one from Jet Pens or like another pen store. And I give this pen a 5 out of 5. Love this pen so much. My current 2020 fave, obviously. This one's also my favorite from 2019. Or 2020. I gave it to these two pens. I hope you guys enjoy my quick review of this pen. See you guys in the next video. Bye!